That's the gorge. What's Mum got, Sam? Silly dog.
It's for you, it's a toy. It's a new toy. Aww. There's a load in that shop.
Oh, is he? What is it? You go in?
Yeah, it's got loads of knick-knack things in there. It's got loads of... Mama, you like a motorhome, man? Where's your new woofy woofy toy? Is that your new woofy woofies? Has he got yours a peggy peggies? Wow. Do you like a motorhome, man? No.
starting to fall in love with a strange dog, Sam.
It's got googly eyes, look.
Hey, doesn't take you long. I love my doggy. Here we are in Kinlochewe, or Kinlochewe, and yeah, I think that's Benug or Benuji. I'll go for Benig, and I don't think I'm going to be climbing that. Maybe that. Not that. Sadly, not this time. But I did do the A939. For saying so. I'm eating macaroni cheese pie, and it is what it says. It's a pie casing containing macaroni cheese. Morning. So here we are at Kinlochewe Caravan and Motorhome Club site. Usual facilities you'd expect from them. So we were going to do a overnight car park yesterday, but we were only about 20 miles away from this booking, so just went online. It's all easy enough. So Mrs. G went online and booked us in for an extra night, and then we'll see what our plans are for today. Bit chilly, but the forecast is for it to improve, and in the next few days we might see temperatures of 20 degrees in Scotland. Who would have thought? As for Kinlochewe, I'd say very quiet little village. There is a pub which is just down the street, but due to staff shortages they are only serving residents, which is a familiar story everywhere you look, not just in Scotland but the whole of Britain, that since we bowed on the EU we don't have any migrant workers, yeah, everybody's looking for vacancies in all the windows of all the shops. There's loads of signs. There you go. Ben Iger. It is quite magnificent.